Concept 3, Citations and Bibliography. One of the nice features in Word 2010 is its ability to incorporate citations with text and to automatically be able to populate a works cited or bibliography page when you're done. Let's look at how we do this. This is on WD 3.30. It tells us to open up the reference tab. So we're going to start with that. And we're going to open up the style filter and we're going to choose MLA. So in our reference tab, in our citation we see an APA and then we see a drop down menu and we can find MLA 6th edition. So these are the various types of formatting we use in different types of writing. So we're going to choose MLA. First thing we need to do is then create some citations. So we're going to open up the navigation pane and display the document headings. That was Control F if you had forgotten. And it said to click on Tanzania Geography and Climate heading. So here we are. And we're going to move to the end of the first paragraph before the period of the Geography and Climate section. Our cursor's put right there. And then we're going to open the reference tab if necessary and click Insert Citation. So Insert Citation is in our Citations and Bibliography group. We'll click on it right there. And we're going to add a new source. And we're going to follow what the book tells us on 3.33. The author of this book, we're going to choose website. Scroll down, find website. Our author is going to be Wikipedia, which just for the record is not a valid source when doing research papers, but a very wonderful thing. Name of the web page is Tanzania. You can tab to move down these. The year is 2010. The month is March. The day is the 5th. The year accessed is our current year. Month accessed, current month. Current day, 24th. URL, it's going to be http://en.wikipedia.org/wiki/Tanzania. And see, all these are the elements that you would need to use to build your works cited page. And once we've done that, we can just click OK. And you'll see it pops in with parentheses. And you put your cursor over it. I can tell that it's a field. And we're going to do a couple more, I think, before we actually go ahead and make that list. So this is what your first one should look like. Then we are going to click on the Tanzania culture heading in the navigation pane. So we're going to come down here. We're going to move to the end of the third sentence after the word matters and before the period in the first paragraph of the culture section. So 1, 2, 3 sentences, first paragraph, cursor goes right there. We are then, of course, going to come back up here and to our references and click on Insert Citation. And we're going to choose our Wikipedia entry. See, the one we already used has been saved. So I can just put that in there and we get the same reference again. And I can click on the Tanzania Animal Life heading. And then move to the end of the first paragraph. Before the period, after inventory from the ARC. I'm going to insert citation, but this time I'm going to add another new source. This one will be a book. And the corporate author for this book is going to be Camera Pix. And our title is going to be The Spectrum Guide to Tanzania. And our year is going to be 1992. city, Edison, city it was published in, and the publisher was Camera Pix Publishers International. And then I'll click on OK. And you'll see I get Camera Pix here as a source. We're going to click on Camera Pix and come to the drop-down menu here, and we're going to go to Edit Citation. And where it says Pages, we're going to put in the page number reference, 252. And we'll just then hit OK. And so now we have both the author and the page number that it can be found on. After that, we're going to click on the Peru Geography and Climate heading. So here we are in Peru. And we're going to then move to the end of the second sentence after the word features and before the period in the first paragraph. So our first paragraph, first sentence, second features, there we go. That's where we want our cursor. We're going to insert a new citation here, add a new source, and we're going to call, and this one is going to be another website, which is typically aren't the best uses of references. We're going to have a corporate author for this website as well. And this is going to be Country Studies US. And the name of the web page will be Peru. And the year will be 2003 to 2005. Month, no day. For us, year accessed again, 2010, month, June, date 24, URL http://countrystudies.us/peru.htm. You make sure you get that all spelled right. And once you have that all typed in there, you can go ahead and click OK. Note we don't have to put a page number after web references because they don't have page numbers. Sometimes after we've done this, though, we might want to edit a source, and we can do that as well. So go ahead and move back up to the Tanzania culture section, and here we're going to go back to our citation for Wikipedia. We're going to click on this to access our drop-down menu and come back into Edit Source. This will bring up our little page here. And we're going to click on Corporate Author to move Wikipedia down here. We're going to add a colon and type in the Free Encyclopedia. And we'll click OK. And it'll ask if I want to update this, and I'm going to say yes, I do. After that, you can go ahead and close your navigation pane.